This is the kind of spacecraft that will travel to the International Space Station with a unique experiment, because it hasn't been created by an astronaut, but by a group of keen sixth form scientists in Pontypridd. They beat 50 young teams from across the UK to impress the very best in their field.
Working with astronauts and top scientists and NASA physicians was absolutely fantastic. Really good experience and opportunity.
We were up till 12 at night preparing and finalising our presentation, so we worked really hard to achieve what we did.
I want to study medicine in university, so obviously doing a biochemical experiment is a great experience for that.
They launched the idea of taking water fleas into space as a trial for a future mission to Mars.
They're going to need a massive food source if they're going all the way to Mars for about a 6-month trip. So if we study the reproduction of these living organisms, maybe we can see about growing a food source in space.
And it's a huge prospect.
It is amazing that ordinary schoolboys and girls can go to London and come up with an idea which not only has not been thought of or tried out in the 50 years NASA's been going into space, but also opens the doors for big discoveries in reproduction in space and genetics in space.
Their plan was simple and relatively cheap.
It cost around 60,000 to put it up in the first place.
But its value to the team and their teachers has been so much higher.
We've got this idea of me in the valleys that we have this sort of poverty of aspiration. And people don't because they think they can't. But I think this lot have proved that they can, so they did, and they will. I think it's an amazing opportunity, and it absolutely makes being a teacher worth every minute of it.
Well, now they're getting ready to see their experiment launched into space at the end of the year. Hannah Thomas, ITV News.